Do you want to know how to make your Koosee, Akara or Gaou very fluffy on the inside and crunchy on the outside? I'm sure the answer will be yes. So keep watching. We're going to need a bowl of peeled beans, red and yellow bell peppers, some spring onions, crushed chilies, and 1 egg. Let's get started. I'm going in the blender now with my beans that I soaked overnight, and I will be adding the rest of the fresh ingredients. If you're new here, my name is Kayi and I love sharing delicious recipes on this channel. If you are a foodie and you don't want to miss out on those recipes, don't forget to subscribe and please keep your notification bell on so you can be notified when I upload a new video. It's time to add the egg, some water, and a little bit of salt and blend everything nicely. Please make sure it's just a little bit of water because you don't want the ingredients to be watery. Now it's time to heat up the oil and fry it. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. What would you pair your akara with? Let the oil heat up 4 to 5 minutes. So whilst that is heating up, I'm pouring all the blended ingredients here, and I'm going in now with the spring onions, a little bit of salt, and the red bell peppers. Mix everything very well so you can get that fluffy akara or Koosee or Gaou. Now it's time to start frying. Fry on a medium-low heat. And if you notice your oil is too hot, all you need to do is just to reduce the heat a little bit so it doesn't burn. And you can see the other side is pretty much done. Flip it, and this is our akara ready. I'm going in with the second batches. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Let it fry 4 to 5 minutes and flip the other side so you can obtain this beautiful golden color, and you know your akara is ready and it's going to be so fluffy on the inside. And this is the second batch is ready. I'm going to fry the last one. I hope you are enjoying today's recipe. If you are, kindly drop a like and keep watching. And if today is your first time coming across my channel and you don't want to miss out on the new recipes, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you activate the bell. And thanks to all my returning subscribers for checking this video. Kindly do me a big favor by sharing the video. If you are enjoying the recipe, that would definitely help the channel grow and more people will also enjoy these yummy recipes. And I would love to hear from you in the comment section. What would you pair your akara Koosee or Gaou with? It's time now to try it, and you can see the inside is very fluffy. But what I like about this akara, the outside is super crunchy, and I just love it when it's like that. So if you want to obtain the same result, you know now what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. Au revoir.